Hello and welcome to the unboxing and setup of the Apple Watch Series 3 in 2020. The Series 3 originally came out back in 2017 and is now Apple's entry-level watch and offers great value for money at around $200. It comes in two screen sizes, the 38mm and the 42mm, and it comes in a GPS version or GPS and cellular. Today I'm opening up the 42mm GPS version. This model has the silver aluminium case and is rocking the white sports band as standard. Please subscribe and turn on notifications because I'll be doing a full review so you can see what it's like living with the Series 3 in 2020 and beyond. And be sure to watch to the end so you can see how the 42mm adorns my wrist. Okay, as you can see, the Apple Watch is nicely presented in this minimalistic white box with the model specifics at the end, and on the front it says Watch and Series 3 below it. You open the box at the end, and I'm using my mini penknife to cut through the cellophane here, but you could do it with a paper clip if you wanted to, it'd be just as effective. Tear back some of that wrapper, that's always a really nice feeling, and then just tilt the box and the watch starts to slide out. It takes a little coaxing, but it's no struggle whatsoever. Next up, a small pouch, and below that is the watch itself. The pouch proclaims designed by Apple in California. Let's see what's inside the pouch. First thing out is a pamphlet with some key information about the watch. The simple diagrams let you know where everything is. It shows you where the heart rate sensor is, the location of the mic and speaker, and much more. It's well worth a read to get quickly acquainted. There's a safety info sheet, then this looks interesting, a pouch within a pouch, a bit like Russian dolls. These diagrams show you how to fasten the watch strap on your wrist and how to change the strap out. The pouch unfurls and reveals two encased items. Firstly, a strap at the top, and secondly, the charger for the watch. Again, really well packaged, but it's time to liberate them. Let's start with the charger first. Grab the charger and you'll see its tail, which of course is really a USB cable. Keep pulling and it will uncoil itself, and you'll see the USB connection at the other end. Moving on to the spare strap, I am gently finessing this one free. There we go. It feels soft to the touch and smooth at the same time. Really nice. Giving it a little bend here. This one definitely passes the bend test. I'll be sure to let Unbox Therapy know. For now, I'll leave it here so I don't lose it. And now for the main event. The watch literally wants to jump out of the box right now. It's so excited. This is a watch from 2017, but it's aging well, like a fine wine. You can see on the right side of the watch where the crown and side buttons are nested, and underneath you can see that it says composite back, GPS, WR 50 meters, that's water resistance, Apple Watch Series 3 42mm, and it has Ion X glass. Connecting the magnetic charger is a cinch. Simply pop it onto the back of the watch, and if you've ever wondered how strong the magnet is, check this out. I'm swinging it from side to side here, guys. By the way, my right hand is very confident, but my left hand is so scared right now. It's still hanging, no problem. Let's try something else. Will it bob up and down? Absolutely. It looks like I'm going to need to use that charger straight away. The screen says low battery. To continue, connect Apple Watch to its charger. After a quick charge on the mains, the watch now has some juice in it, and I'm ready to connect it to the iPhone. I'll click the Watch app to get started. This screen says, good afternoon, if you have an Apple Watch you can pair it with your iPhone here. Start pairing. Put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. I won't put it on right now as I'm doing this demo, but I'll hold the camera up. Okay, let's get that lined up round about there. Perfect. Okay, the Apple Watch is paired. That was easy. Now, set up Apple Watch. On which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? My left. Just having a little think here. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Okay, we'll quick fire through the next few options that you can enable now or later on in the settings. So let's start with workout route tracking. We'll say enable. Watch analytics, don't share. Shared settings with the iPhone, I'll click OK here. Apple Watch passcode, I'm not adding one for this demo, but I 100% recommend having one. I'll skip the activity setup for now. Keep your Apple Watch up to date automatically. How to make an SOS call if your watch is connected to the phone. And here we can choose to install apps on my watch that work on my phone. Let's go for that. Okay, it now says Apple Watch is syncing. Let's give that a little time. It's time to reveal the 42mm on the wrist, so without further ado, let's pull back the sleeve. Now that's a good look. It sits very comfortably, I think, and it's a good fit. The display is sharp and clear, and I can tell you that it's very intuitive. Well, I hope you've liked my unboxing and initial setup video. I'll be doing a review of the Apple Series 3 watch very soon, so be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and give the video a thumbs up. There's links in the description for the Apple Watch if you want to cop one for yourself, and let me know in the comments what you think of the Series 3 and if you think it's the best Apple Watch pound for pound, or do you prefer the newer models? Also, what do you think is the best strap to get? Anyway, for now, I'm going to sign out, but I'll leave you with some videos with some cool shots of the beautiful Apple Series 3 watch. Come back soon, you're a valued member of the team. This is Team AJ, signing out.